Risotto, origin Italy. Risotto is a northern Italian rice dish cooked with broth until it reaches a creamy consistency. The broth can be derived from meat, fish, or vegetables. Many types of risotto contain butter, onion, white wine, and Parmesan cheese. It is one of the most common way of cooking rice in Italy. If you like it, please subscribe and like it. Risotto in Italy is often a first course served before the main course. Risotto is an Italian dish made by cooking a starchy, short grained rice like arborio with stock until it becomes creamy. It is a very simple and a healthy rice dish. Saffron was originally used for flavor and it is signature yellow color. If you want any other food history, please comment and subscribe it.